Hello everyone, keep on proceeding. Now here over this green sheet you need to make the beautiful tiny little flowers, and now with the help of these ground nut peas shells you need to make the worms like this. This is gonna look beautiful enough. Now using the bubble wrap sheets you need to color them up further and get the leaves made in this manner. You have to secure it and your corn is gonna be ready. Now here with the help of fevicol you need to paste all the scribbles out and get this beautiful scenery made. Now here using the peanut shells like this, you have to just secure it in this manner, get the pot made, and this is gonna look beautiful enough. Get the clouds and make the scenery look beautiful. Now just press your clays and get some crabs made in this manner. You have to secure it in this way and this is gonna look beautiful enough. Just secure your scenery like this. Now using the fevicol you need to paste all these scribbles like this, color them up, and this is gonna look beautiful enough. Just secure your scenery like this and this scenery is gonna look beautiful.